how to connect Canva to Notion. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Canva to Notion. So to get started, go ahead and open Canva into your browser, sign into your account, and then once you're signed in, go ahead and select the design that you want to embed to Notion. So you cannot connect Canva to Notion directly, but you can embed designs from Canva to your Notion account. And then once you're on that design that you want to embed on Notion, go ahead and click on the share button at the top right of your screen, and then go ahead and click on see all under this. And then once you click on see all, you'll be able to find an option to embed. So click on embed under the share section, and then make sure to click on this embed again. And then once this loads, go ahead and copy the smart embed link. And then once you have copied that, go ahead and open a new browser. And then from here, look for notion.com, and then sign into your account with your preferred signing in method. So you can sign in with your credential, or you can sign in with a connected account connected to your Notion account to be able to access your Notion account. And then head over into the workspace where you want to embed that Canva design. Scroll down and then look for an area where you can place the Canva link that you've got. And then once you have placed it here, go ahead and select embed. So once you have embedded that Canva link to your Notion workspace, there would be a preview that you can actually incorporate to your workspace from Canva. So that is how you can basically connect Canva to Notion. You cannot connect it directly, but you can embed designs from Canva to Notion. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.